Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through customizing the requester panel to better match the information your team needs to see in the BoldDesk ticketing system. Displaying additional customer fields in the requester panel provides agents with quick access to needed information, which may be different company to company. Let's begin by reviewing the default requester details. I'll log into the agent portal, open the Tickets module, and select a ticket. On the Details page, the requester panel on the right displays the contact group, phone number, mobile number, and time zone of the ticket requester. This panel can be customized to include additional customer details. First, let's review the permissions required to customize the requester panel. Agents must have the Manage Fields and Forms permission. By default, only agents with the account owner or support administrator roles have this permission. However, you can edit the agent and support manager roles or create custom roles and enable their Manage Fields and Forms permission in the admin module. Now, let's see how to customize the requester panel. I log into BoldDesk's admin account and open the admin center. Next, I navigate to Fields and Forms and select Contact Fields. The list of fields is displayed under the Primary Fields and Other Fields sections. Only the fields added to the Primary Fields section appear in the requester panel. If the required fields aren't already listed, you can add and configure them using the Add Contact Field option. For instance, you can configure fields like Support Tier or Contact Source. To learn more about setting up fields and forms for tickets, activities, contacts, and contact groups, follow the link in the card above or the description below. Once a field is configured, it will be automatically categorized under the Other Fields section. To move it to the Primary Fields section, click the More Options icon and select Move to Primary Fields, or simply drag and drop it into the Primary Fields section. You can also use the Reorder option to adjust the display order. After updating the fields, the Ticket Details page will display the fields added to the Primary Fields section in the requester panel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.